Hey Drew Butkus, I haven't seen you in a while, and I want to know if you're doing well. Hey Drew Butkus, what's going on? Is your life going to hell? I hope it doesn't smell. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're not having to fight off them demons anyway. All I gotta say is have a good day. It's me and Lee and my ukulele, 3 persons all in one. I just refers to myself in 3rd person, but anyway, I just want to say, I hope that I'm helping you have a good day. This cheers you up, that I'm doing my job. So Drew, I think you are a good sports baller, 'cause I don't know how to do sports too well, and that's a shame, but you're better than me at them. You helped me get LA Gears, and because of that, we'll be lifelong friends. But my shoes aren't going to be lifelong, because they kind of died last year. They fell apart. But thanks for the LA Gears, Drew. You're a good man, and I hope your school year is going swimmingly. And adieu.